Right. Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm Chris from Fin-Atics. Today we have just gotten off the coal train. It's Friday. Here we are at the hotel in Norfolk, Virginia. It's time to unwind, and I found a little bit of water the other day in the back of this hotel. Today is bring a fishing pole to work day. You should have seen these folks looking at me coming off the locomotive with a fishing pole in my hands. I'm gonna pull a Jeremy Wade. So before I catch a little bit of sleep, I'm gonna run back there, throw a pole in the water, see what we can catch. Here we go. The water's just on the other side here. I gotta find an opening. There's got to be a way. Uh-oh. I think there's enough room to barely get in here. Oh, this is perfect. Now we're talking. Let's see what we got in here. Couldn't bring all my stuff, but I think the way that this pond or creek or whatever it is looks, I think we're gonna try this guy first. Do a quick polymer knot. You go in, go back out again. So all you're doing here is making a loop. So now you're just gonna make a loop, and then with this tag here, you feed your lure through that tag and then pull it tight. Make sure you wet it. There we go. Saw a fish jump. They're in here. Come on, somebody wants to eat Kermit. So I went ahead and tied a silver spoon, a little skirt on the back of it. See what she does. Just missed the fish. These fish are playing hard to get. There's a lot of turtles in here. Seen a couple fish, so I mean, it's got to hold. It's a good ecosystem. It's got to be. Oh, got him. Oh, I got him. Yeah. Look at that. First fish right there. Oh, yellow perch. All right. Hey, there's something in here. That guy was hungry. Oop, oop, oop. I hear you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tree fish. All right. Beautiful little yellow perch. Let him go. All right, so we know that there's yellow perch in here. No size, but you got to start somewhere, right? Oh, that was a bite. Here it is, middle of July. So it's, 95 degrees out. But that breeze feels amazing. I tried 2 different frogs, and then I went to this silver spoon that I found in your tackle box. In your tackle box. Thank you.
You're welcome. You didn't pizza, did you?
No. What am I gonna do? Put them on the train with me? Honest to goodness, I've really got to pay attention. Even though I want to catch the fish, I got to be careful. My engineer told me that they did spot an alligator here in this canal. They think somebody had a pet, let it go, but I'm trying to feed them worms, not me. I just saw a fish about 18 inches, roughly, go after my bobber. I'm going old school. My wife loves fishing with worms. So I got the old red and white out there. I think it's starting to work. We're fishing on the fly here, so haven't had much time to figure out what we're gonna use. So I just picked up a couple mealworms. She gone. Bring him in. All right. Another yellow perch. Hey, look at that. Going back old school ain't a bad thing. The old red and white. Stacy be proud. Pretty thing. Let's put him back. There he goes. That's the railroad calling. Hello. Yes, this is Chris Bolt. All right, 29G. Okay. All right. Is there any way that you can delay that train about an hour? Well, I know. But, yeah, but the fish are biting.